liberty, we sing our grateful praise. From fertile fields to peaceful skies, where hope and courage grow. United stand thy loyal sons, where truth and justice flow. God bless our beloved Spamia, guard her through every day. May peace and honor light our path and never fade away. With steadfast hearts we shall remain, our banner flying high. Long live the land of Spamia, our home until we die. The snail, our honored symbol true, moves onward calm and wise, protecting all who share our home beneath our open skies. The watchful eyes of Baucis stand with BPS so brave, and SPS defends with pride the creatures we shall save. On Mars, our beloved Spamia, forever may she stand. United, strong, and ever free, a proud and peaceful land. Our voices join in one great song, resounding far and wide. Long live the land of Spain.